Well, well, well. The time has come for the King of Coughs to meet the Queen of Coughs.
If you guys don't know, Fred Fury is the king of cough.
The king of cough.
There is none higher.
When you try to puff a blunt, he coughs much louder. If you think I'm playing go ahead and give a dab, he'll cough you out of your seat while you laugh.
He don't even eat unless it's infused.
For real, like everything he eats is infused. Hey Fred, what are you having for breakfast today? Oh, some infused bacon, sausage, and eggs. Oh, the bacon's infused? No, the bacon, sausage, and eggs. What about your toast? Yeah, I put some wheat butter on that.